This is Violet, and this is CardClick. It's a spring-loaded, labelable, glow-in-the-dark SD card holder. It's got a push-push mechanism inside, just like your camera does. And in case you're wondering how secure is CardClick, well, today we're gonna put one on a dog. And just to show you, there is a card in this that we hopefully will not lose. We're gonna take this CardClick, we're gonna put it on Violet's harness, and now she gets to roam free. So it looks like we're just taking Violet on a walk. So, yeah. And my sister has some questions for me about CardClick.
So why the dog test?
We already ran over it with a car and that worked, so I figured the next level up would be putting it on a dog.
What color CardClick is she wearing?
She's wearing atomic green, the first color CardClick there is.
What made you start making these?
I work at a news station, and reporters there were often dropping or breaking or losing SD cards. So I figured I might be able to make something that could fix that problem.
Who is CardClick for?
It's for photographers, videographers, anybody who handles SD cards regularly. It's for anybody who has been digging in a camera bag in the middle of a wedding and their stomach dropped because they can't find their SD card. It's for that person.
Why glow in the dark?
For the bag at 11 p.m. moment. Also, it just looks cool. Where's she going?
In the culvert.
Oh.
What colors of CardClick are currently available?
Atomic green.
Do you personally use CardClick?
I do. I've been testing it for weeks.
What's the worst case test for this thing?
After a car and a dog, probably a toddler.
Where can I buy CardClick?
At cardclick.net or on Etsy at cardclick.store. We've escaped the culvert. All right, so we've retrieved Violet from the ditch. And for the moment of truth, we've still got a card in here. So, CardClick is available at cardclick.net or on Etsy at cardclick.store.